Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, rear wheel drive, front wheel independent suspension, tires front all season. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.